Hey man, yes. Gerald Peters, welcome back to the channel. Always remember, whatever it is you think about comes about. Whatever it is you focus on grows. And you can see what I'm thinking about today. Hey, I'm doing some day trading classes today. And today we're focusing on scalping and momentum trading inside of the money flow trading system. And before all you guys go, oh, you didn't tell me to do that. There's a lot of ways to trade the money flow, man. I can only teach people so much, so fast, so soon, or your little brains will fucking explode. There's a lot to it, man. Come inside and let's do some fast trading. So you can see on this, we're up 19 bucks. Tried to catch the reversal. MACD is still on the bullish side of things, even though the momentum has come down. So I look to trade to the upside on those. All right. So even though the momentum is pulling back on the MACD, we're still on the bullish side of the zero line. So I'm still trying to take some shots to the upside. And we got in on this one. I'm up a little bit, $11. We got back in on this GameStop. Bam! We just got to stay with it. I'm about to sell half this position. And this is not a big move, man. These aren't big. Where are we at on GameStop? Let's see. Yeah, just 23 bucks. I'm trading pretty small today, man, because I'm trying to film. And if you watch later, you're going to see me fuck up. You see why I try to take it down a little bit when I'm trading and filming. Yes, man, what's going on? Gerald Peters, welcome back to the channel. I want to show you, this is kind of a mobile trading setup that I have. Jesus, fuck. All right, hey man. Yes, Gerald Peters, welcome back to the channel. Obviously, just as soon as I go live, I start getting crushed in this trade. That's funny. As so often when you live trade, it can be great or it can be rather embarrassing. So over here, I am day trading the Qs, but I am using the triple leverage TQQQ, okay? And I'm going to try to talk to you about some of the concepts that I have going. Over here, we can adjust it. Over here, I am day trading the GameStop, okay? And this third screen, this is my mobile setup. This is my trend direction. And right now, this thing is all over the place. The trend was actually kind of up. Now it's down. A lot of times when the market gets going like this, maybe there's some news out. Maybe it's something is happening. Well, it just hit noon my time, which is 1 o'clock New York time. You'll tend, whoa. All right, so we're going to take some off there. Boom. So I was long 500 shares, and I just took some off there on that pop. I don't know what that was. And let's get this going. Okay, so now you see, even with that pop though, my trend direction, this is a higher time frame, so I'm using, yeah, so now it's turned up, you can see, and it can change on you fast, but I was still in the trade when it turned down and I hadn't been stopped out yet. So you can see I sold 300 shares immediately. So now we're going to give it a second. And what kind of profit am I in here? I'm only up $24. I was up, looks like it was up 65, and then I hit the button. You know, we got some momentum going here, so maybe I add to it. If I do this though, I'm taking a shot. I'd rather wait till I get a red candle. See, I'm down to 200 shares. So see, now we're getting this thing. And the way that I like to do it, and look, I'm getting the stage 2 breakout now over on GameStop, okay? And as you can see, well, shit. Man, I'm all messed up today. You can, okay, now you're getting some real trader action here because I didn't hit the button. It can be very difficult trying to do this live and film it and record it. So I thought I hit the button right in here. Apparently I did not. So I should be a lot lower position than I am. And then here we go. And I was going to add to it and I didn't. So recording and trying to do this at the same time is not always easy. I don't know what's going on here with this momentum, but let's just get in on it. All right, and if this turns on us, god damn, I have to clean my screen, I guess. If it turns on us, we'll just turn right around and take it down, okay? So what are we at? 400, I'd rather be at 500 shares. Fuck it, we'll add one more. Now if this, I'm only doing this because this momentum is running. The moment this momentum goes to turn, I'm gonna dump it. So I'm gonna go ahead and, now what I'm doing here is super aggressive trading. The moment I get the slightest indication from that we're done on this run, I will take it down. I'm gonna add a little more to the GameStop play if the market will let me. I'm on margin. I'm gonna be ready to dump this if that's a doji reversal right there. Now I wanna show you why I added to GameStop. One, I got in late, but it's still holding the stage 2 breakout. My target's gonna be 25.90. If this comes back below that shaded area, I'm gonna take down some of these shares. Right now I'm just playing pure momentum, okay? Pure momentum move right here. The moment it's not momentuming, I wanna get out. So watch. That's what I'm up right now, 66.77. So because we bought these shares kind of late, I'm gonna sell some into strength. So I just sold 200. Tried to sell 200. See, now it never fails. Whenever I go live, I start getting, see, now you see I'm down to 300 shares. Well, when I did that, look, it took my profit down. Why? Because it sold the first in, first out. So I want to readjust this to 300 so that when I click it, we get the fuck out immediately. Now this is not typical money flow trading. We are trading the stage 2, but I'm trading it very aggressive. As soon as this thing comes back on me, I want to just get out. That's a hangman doji candle right there. So if this thing breaks this 5, I'm gonna get out. And sometimes it'll do it fast, so you gotta be ready. Now you can sit and place orders and move your stuff around if you want. Nothing wrong with that. If you want to, I do what's called soft orders, and there goes GameStop. So we got into that. My target will be 25.90. Now all of this is coming pretty fast. You can't do anything else. I'm literally watching candles. So on that, we got back in. This was a momentum candle. I got in on the momentum, and now I'm out. We can get back in just a second, okay? I'm gonna take this to 500. We're gonna be ready to get back in. But price is underneath the 5. I don't want to be in this. We're trading pure momentum here. If this holds, then I'm gonna stay with it. This is a very aggressive form of trading the money flow, just pure momentum. So look, it's now under the 5. I don't want to be in it. We'll see what this next candle does. Now to do this, again, you really cannot be doing anything else if you're doing this on a 1-minute chart. If it breaks that candle, very negative. If it goes up, very positive. So we'll see. We'll see how this goes. What's our trend direction? The trend is up. Okay, this is the 5-minute chart, and we got a nice uptrend. But you can see where price stopped right here, okay? So now we're looking to get back in 500 shares. We're gonna watch these candles very precisely. Okay, now, again, this is not easy. This is not for normal people. This is a aggressive form. This is very aggressive momentum trading. And you can lose money. Boom, we're back in. Clean that. Now, what would be my stop? We're trading very tight right here. Again, you can take a lot of hits. You got to be capable of moving in and out and it not bother you, okay? You take a hit, fuck it, you move on. This is not some shit, you hold it. This is not the standard money flow day trading where we're gonna run it up, take some off, run it up, take some off. That's not what I'm doing. I'm trading pure momentum on the stage 2, okay? I don't really teach this. I don't talk much about it. And you got to be clear-headed, conscious, ready to go, ready to make some money. So I'm ready to bail on this entire run here. Or, oh, Jesus, I didn't even mean to do that. Sorry, guys. See how fast I got back in? That was a costly mistake right there. My finger just touched the screen. That's how fast it's set up to go. Okay? Maybe I'll just move my hand here. And you can see how many shares are we in? 500 shares. This is my break-off point. You saw that I fucked that up there. Let's see what it does. Come on, man. Let's get going. Shit. This is not what I was hoping for. Now, you can take some hits like this, but you also can make some money if things get going fast. This doesn't work for every style of market. You know, we had some fast momentum, so I just wanted to get in and take some. And now the trade over on GameStop is breaking down because I got in at a higher price. That's not cool. Let's check our trend direction. Trend direction still says to the upside. TSI's to the upside. MACD histograms to the upside. All right, we just broke our thing there. I'm down $22. If this goes to drop, I got to get out. I hate doing this because we're trading in the direction of trend, but my size is so large. There we go. There we go. Come on. Again, so I'm going to probably take some off right up here at this 26.14. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and take that down. Here we go. Boom. So now I'm up. Now I'm up. Let's go. Let's get going. And you'll notice GameStop's getting going too. So there's a little bit of connection here. Right? Check our trend on the higher time frame, time continuity. We're trading at a higher thing. Here we go. Come on. These are Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands are very similar to the RSI. When price breaks out of the bands, like you saw here, it tends to drift back into the band. This is a standard retracement momentum trade. Price runs up, puts in a doji, pulls back a couple candles, puts in another doji, and boom, we run. All right, so now we're up $33, $40, $50. Let's hit that big pop. I'd like to sell around 36.18. You know what? I might just sell it all. I'm going to sell 400 of it. And then we'll look to get back in. We're at $50. Come on, push, 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 push. Boom. I'll take it right there. So we sold all but 100 shares. So I locked in $50 right there. Now we're up 12. The slightest pullback, I'm gonna look at putting this back on. All right, so all I gotta do is hit that button to put 400 shares back on. And if you look, GameStop just dumped. So I'm gonna close. I am going to sell all my GameStop. And now you'll see the position says 0. And we'll wait for that to set up. Just like that. Fuck that stock. We're out. You see how we're doing this fast and furious? Now I'm getting a red candle. So what we should get, we got 2 bars up, kind of fucked around, pulled back, same thing, 2 bars up. We're just trading momentum here. So let's see if it does the same thing. We got a red candle, take it down. All right, take it down. Matter of fact, let's see. Is that all we're gonna get? Oh man. I still got that 100 shares. I was hoping to take them down. Lock in that $25 profit, $10 profit. Remember, these are 1-minute shares, okay? So let's see what it does here. Right now it's a doji hangman candle. All right, that's what I was hoping. I thought we would push down. Now this is the 20-day moving average. It's crucial to the money flow. This is the 5-day exponential average crucial to the money flow. And we're pushing up through. And here's the normal standard things we use. RSI extreme, RSI extreme. So you see what I was doing there. I was taking down stuff at extremes. Now it looks like it wants to run, but I'd like to see it pull back. So what do I got? I got $12 on this 100 shares. So I may get ready to add the other 400. As you see here, I'm ready to click it. Now everyone doesn't need to trade like this. This is just for lunatics like me. I don't do this all the time either. There we go. Bring it down, man. We want to bring it down. It's a good thing we bailed out on GameStop. Look at that. Boom. Stage 4 decline, right? So we read that perfect. I did mess up and get in late. To be fair, I was filming this video, which sometimes can make it difficult. And sitting right there, dude. Look at this. Really like to see this hold. I wish it would have pulled back more. This is the kind of a dangerous setup because it didn't really pull back. And I don't think it's working off this RSI. And I hit the button. God damn it. Well, we're in now. Where's my quick stop? Right here. I mean, quick. So, let me add. I doubt this holds, man. You might say, why? Just experience. Now, GameStop's fallen. There we go. It's fallen to the 200. Now, because this run has run so far, I'm going to check the... Let me check the 5-day. The 5 days hit RSIs on almost... Or the 5-minute has hit RSIs almost on the 7 period and the 14. So, how much room does this thing have to run? I don't know, man. If I could get one pop, I'm probably going to take it off. So, we're up $26. 26 bucks. Come on, baby. Buy daddy dinner. 26. Matter of fact, on the pop, I'm going to sell 400. So we can lock in most of this pop. We get one pop and take me to $50. If we could just pop, well, now we're coming down. So let's get ready to dump it. See how I go back and forth, man? This can be a lot. This is not the way for most people to trade. Not only do you have to know the money flow, not only you have to look at the stages, not only are you looking at the higher time frame, but you're also looking, each fucking bar or candle has importance. You know, we're watching the dojis, we're watching the pullbacks. There we go. We're watching the move into strength. So now we're at $36 on that little purchase. Now down to 23. Come on, man. See how you can just touch the screen and cause yourself problems? All right. No, see, now we're back. 23. How come every time I pull over, it's 23? All right. I don't want to lose that money. And if we go to zero, I'm just going to dump on it. It's one reason I leave 100 shares. It kind of leaves a little money on the table. All right, remember what I said. This is our line in the sand here. Other people are using it. That is near-term support. That's the closest one, and there's resistance. Here's the next one. If we're doing anchor points, anchor point, right? Over here, anchor point. Okay. Give it just a second. God damn it. All right. I may not have even needed to take that. So I'm out. So you see how this can be tough, man. And we'll see if that holds. If it gets right back into the box, appears to be. So this is not a way for people. Now, you say, why do you keep taking this trade? Because we are actually in an uptrend. The 5-day says that we're still in play. So the daily's on an uptrend. And I'm back in GameStop, by the way. The daily is in an uptrend. So until my higher time frame of 5-day or 5, I don't know why I see 5-day, 5-minute and the daily, as long as they're to the upside, I'm looking to trade to the upside. Now, obviously, this is still going up, even though I got busted out. I mean, the trend is up. That's because I'm shrunk the time frame down so low there that, you know, and again, this may not be for everyone. And you don't, this is, you know, this is extreme momentum day trading, for me, and where I'm just trying to catch a couple bars like that. A couple bars can be 50, 60, 70, $100. Also to the other side, the downside. This trade is perking up. I'm going to add another 25 shares. Now, why am I trading so small on GameStop? Just because it's been so goddamn volatile. All right, I'm not getting any runs. The way I make money on this is the runs got to be big. And I'm playing super conservative, and that's kind of beating me down today. Okay? We're not going to give up, because one run makes up for a lot of bad trades. But if you let this run and you're holding 500 or 1,000 shares, it can be big, man. I'd rather take small hits, and then catch a big run. See, we're coming down. So if I'd have held it, it would have been even less or lower. I don't mind taking hits because I can make it back with one run. It does suck if you catch them, all day long, trade after trade after trade. I mean, that gets old. We're right back. We're sitting right at resistance here. Let's go. I want to make this thing get over the 5 though, because you can see what happened here. Once it got over the 5, we ran. But I may only get a couple bars here. And GameStop's not holding up. All right, I may need to shellac it for a minute and give everything time to see what's up. My higher time frame still says we're good. 5-day, we're still good here. All right, I just hit the button. Either way, if I take a loss here, we'll just bail. It's nice. I come on one win and everything else been losers. That's the nature of trading, man. So we're hoping that doji there, right at the 20-day moving average, right at resistance, which is now support, it was our bounce off point. So we're up $15, $16. So, one good move, one good pop up into here, and then it drifts. I make back the losses we just had. Or we don't. And that, my friends, is the nature of trading. Is that it can do whatever the fuck it wants to do, whenever the fuck it wants to do it. God bless. See, I'm really only down 20 bucks here. These are $20 a pop. But where's the higher time frame? Okay. Time frames turn. So all we did was take some losses there. Pretty aggressive form of trading. And, we caught some nice ones earlier. So I'm going to keep at it today. But it's just to show you. And that, losses are part of what we're doing here, man. It's just part of the game. We'll keep watching. This is on the bullish side of things. So, we'll wait and see what we get. All right, I've wrapped up the video, but I just wanted to show you $59. Boom, we got that pop. And now momentum is back to the upside, and we got GameStop running. So see, I just had to stay with it a little bit. And now hopefully, if this runs up into this zone, we made all that money back on those losses you saw. And over here, we definitely made back what we messed up earlier. And there's the money flow pattern, and there's the money flow pattern. All right, man. Hope you saw that. You saw how easy it is to mess up trading. I mean, you can just hit the wrong button. You can hit the wrong shares. You could fat finger it, especially if you're doing like I was trying to do there where, you're trying to trade more. And as I'm sitting here recording this, I'm having to look, it's so stupid. You can get yourself all caught up, and hit the wrong button. And you just can't let yourself get flustered, man. Whether you're swing trading on a daily chart, which I love to do, I love doing that stuff, man. I love swing trading on a daily chart. I love dividends, that. I love buy and hold. I love day trading for the excitement and the fun. It's fun, man. All of these things make it fun. Investing is fun.
If you make investing, if you make buying real estate, don't make it this big fucking arduous ordeal. It's just fun. Man, God wants you to win. He wants you to win. He's on your side. I'm on your side. Bible says where two or more are gathered, there's power. So, hey, if you need me to be that second person because you ain't got nobody on your side, you let me know, because fuck, I need people on my side, man. Hit me up. My phone number's in here, man. My phone's right here, man. And you see what I'm doing? We're sitting right here right now. We're trading. And hit me up. You know, if I'm not trading, I'm working on houses. If I'm not working on houses and trading, I'm trying to figure out how to be better at both of those, or trying to figure out how to better communicate my message that, listen, anybody in America, regardless of age, race, or financial situation, can get rich. I believe that with all my heart. Anything I can do to help you, man, you just let me know.